Hey everybody, this is Carlos with Cerakote. Today we're going to be doing a full clean on the Iwata LPH80 spray gun. This is the full clean you're going to be doing at the end of the day and not between color changes. Let's go over the things you're going to need for this procedure. Links to purchase these items will be in the description below. Let's get started. You're going to have your Iwata LPH80 spray gun, empty container for acetone, acetone bottle, your wrench, 4/0 steel wool, lint-free cloth, cotton swabs, your rinse aid container for acetone, your Iwata Cleaning Kit. Inside your cleaning kit, you will find your nylon bristle brush, your bore brushes, your detail brush, larger bore brush, and your micro needle.
Let's begin by rinsing the spray gun cup with acetone. Pressurize the cup with the palm of your hand to push acetone through the components. You're going to want to repeat this process until the stream of acetone becomes clear. Next, use a lint-free cloth to wipe the inside of the cup. Remove the cup, air cap ring, air cap, fluid knob, spring, needle, and fluid nozzle from the spray gun, and place in a container of acetone. This will help break up some of that dried coating and make cleaning these parts easier. Next, flush the internals of the spray gun with acetone. Using the mini bore brush from the cleaning kit, dip in acetone and brush threaded areas of the spray gun. Now, flush the spray gun with acetone to remove any Cerakote you broke up with the mini brush. Use cotton swabs to clean the internals of the spray gun. You want to repeat this process until there is no residue left on the swabs. Next, dip some 4/0 steel wool into the acetone and wipe the exterior of the spray gun. After that, wipe the exterior of the spray gun with the lint-free cloth. Now we will move on to the lid. Flush the lid with acetone. Clean the lid with a detail brush and a nylon brush using acetone. Then, flush the lid with acetone. Lastly, wipe down the lid with the lint-free cloth. Let's move on to the spray gun cup. Using the mini bore brush, clean the outlet of the spray gun cup. Next, using the nylon brush and acetone, brush the interior of the spray gun cup. Then using 4/0 steel wool and acetone, wipe the interior and exterior of the cup. Now using the nylon brush, clean the threads and flush the cup with acetone. Lastly, wipe down the cup with a lint-free cloth. Now we will move on to the needle. Use lint-free cloth and acetone to carefully wipe away from the needle tip. You may use 4L steel wool to remove any dried coating that the cloth cannot remove. Now using the nylon brush and acetone, clean the air cap and air cap horns. Gently clean the air cap holes with the micro needle. Now rinse the air cap with acetone. Using a cotton swab, clean the air cap until no residue is visible on the swab. Now let's move on to the air cap ring. Using a nylon brush and acetone, clean the air cap ring. Rinse air cap ring with acetone. Now moving on to the fluid nozzle. Use a micro needle to clear obstructions from the nozzle. Now flush the nozzle with acetone. Using a mini bore brush, clean the inside of the fluid nozzle. Now using a nylon brush, clean the outside. Flush the fluid nozzle with acetone. Using cotton swabs, clean the fluid nozzle until no residue is visible on the swab. Using 4L steel wool and acetone, clean the fluid knob. Now let's reassemble our spray gun. Reinstall the fluid nozzle and use a wrench to tighten. Do not over tighten, you just want it snug. Reinstall the air cap and secure with the air cap ring. Then carefully insert the needle, spring, and fluid knob. And that's it, now you have a fully clean Iwata LPH80. We'll link these products below. Like and subscribe for more Cerakote tutorials.